Hi guys! You have to say it too!
Oh. Hey guys!
Today I'll be putting makeup on Kenny. I've been waiting for this day for a very long time. And just like the other video, he's gonna ask me questions while I put makeup on him. Are you excited?
No.
Is there a look you want me to do for you?
I am perfect just the way I am.
Okay. I don't need to tell them what products I'm using, right?
I already know all of them anyway.
Okay. What's this?
Concealer.
Oh, what brand? Do you know the brand?
Torte.
It's Tarte.
Tarte.
Can you read?
Alrighty. Question number 1. Where did we meet?
We met at tutor.
Tutor. What subject was it?
Maths tutor.
What were your first impressions?
I don't really remember because it was so long ago, but I think you were just a new boy in our class. When I met you again, I was like, wow, his voice is deep.
That's what I was going for.
Because you were a little boy when I last saw you.
You little man. Alright, question number 3. Could you tell I liked you?
No, I was oblivious. But my friends did.
Question number 4. When was our first kiss?
It was right before I got my braces. Kenny attacked me with a kiss. He just went for it.
YOLO! If I'm hanging out with people, who am I hanging out with?
Matt? Andy?
Mm-hmm.
Jamie?
Mm-hmm. If I'm gaming, what am I playing?
The basketball game.
What's it called?
Something 2K.
What's it called exactly?
NBA?
Yeah.
2K?
Yeah.
I don't know why I was so nervous. How does this feel? Does it feel cakey?
I feel disgusting.
Why?
Sticky on my face. What is my favorite food?
Vietnamese food. You like pho, thịt kho, also bột chiên.
Mm-hmm. What toppings do I get on pizza?
Hawaiian.
Am I sporty? What sport do I play?
I don't know. You play basketball.
What is my favorite music artist?
Lil Baby.
Mm.
Lil Uzi. Lil Honeybee.
Go on. Honeybee. Are you serious?
Lil Honeybee is my old email address.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, everyone send us some spam.
Can you look at me? I think that's good enough.
I hope you're taking this stuff off. You're not going to expect me to clean it myself.
Yeah, I'll help you.
If I'm making a sandwich, what is in it?
If you make a sandwich.
Yes.
Can you make a sandwich?
Yeah.
Can I say like what you would order at Subway?
Sure.
Meatball.
You sure? And what else do I get?
You get everything.
What's the other Subway I get?
Chicken teriyaki?
Yeah. What else is in it though?
You get everything.
What's everything?
Lettuce.
Mm-hmm.
Spinach.
Mm-hmm.
Onion.
Mm-hmm.
Tomato.
Mm-hmm.
Olives.
Mm-hmm.
Pickles.
Nope.
Carrots.
Uh-huh. What sauce do I get?
I don't know. Mayo.
Nope.
Sweet chili.
Nope.
I don't know.
Sweet something.
Sweet and sour.
Nope. Sweet onion.
Who the heck?
I thought you knew me!
You don't even order Subway that often.
I don't. Next question. If I won $1 million, what would I do with it? You stopped up, didn't you?
No. If you won $1 million, what would you do with it?
Yes.
You would buy a car. Buy a house. Give it to your parents. Your family.
Yeah.
Does that count?
Yeah. So yeah, that's what I do. I buy a house. The first thing I buy.
Yeah. What else would you buy? Buy shares?
No.
What would you buy?
I buy a house for my mom.
That's what I meant.
I was seeing how confident you were. My face feels really sticky right now. 13. What talents do I have?
Singing.
Singing.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Can you put your chin up a bit? You have to close your eyes.
Do my fries with that? Oh, my eyes are gonna get so watery now.
No, it's not. Look down.
What's the point of looking down if my eyes are closed?
Because you're like squinting.
I'm Asian.
You're fine.
It tickles. Honey, that's enough.
It's only one colour. I need to put like 3.
Oh, it tickles in the worst way. Any other talents?
Would I say basketball?
Sure. Have you even seen me play?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Snoring? Does that count?
Snoring.
Yeah. You snore a lot.
If it was for you, it'd be speed walking.
Hey, this is about you, not me. You're really good at like talking to people when you first meet them. You're very social.
Aw.
That's one of the things I like about you.
Next question. What is my spirit animal and why?
Lion,
Why?
because they're strong. Like you. Can I do lashes?
Is that it?
No, and I have to do your eyes and your cheeks as well.
Ah.
I'll do your cheeks first. Jenny got me this blush when we were in Fiji. Do you remember what it's called?
Expensive. Oh, peach. Peach. What was our first trip as a couple?
Would that be Mahai Kubda?
Yeah. 12 apostles?
Yeah.
Who would win an argument?
Me.
Why?
Because I'm always right.
What is my favourite show on Netflix?
Friends? Is that on Netflix?
No, ma'am.
You don't like Friends?
I do, but it's not my favourite show on Netflix.
The Office.
No.
Can I have a hint?
Lawyers.
Oh, Suits.
Yeah. Come on. You don't know me! If I could meet one YouTuber, who would it be?
That fake guy.
No. No.
Who? Wait, hang on.
If I
Is
could.
it a gamer?
No.
I have no idea. Do you even watch YouTube?
Not that much.
Is there someone?
No. Meet myself, Kenny Jenny. What is my middle name?
Cam.
Okay, complete the sentence with one word. My boyfriend is...
The best. Oh, that's too
That's-
good.
One word.
Committed.
What would I eat every day if I could?
Rice.
What?
What would you pick?
Pasta. Sushi.
Really?
Yeah.
You eat that every day in college.
Yeah, it's good.
So you're not complaining.
Yeah. We are out for dinner. What am I ordering for dessert?
Ice cream?
Yeah. What are my bad habits?
Do you want to answer that?
Yeah. Impulse buying.
No.
Oh. What?
We talked about it with Helen and Andy.
Oh, time management?
Yeah.
I'm alright. I'm ambitious. Who is my role model and why?
Your mum. And
Why?
why? Because she's a single mother who raised 2 children on her own.
Is it lasting?
And lips. You look good. You look nice.
Sexy.
I made you a natural beauty.
You know what we should do? We should try flirt with the guides. See if your makeup skills are that good.
Are you scared?
Yes. This is gonna... Wait. That's glue?
Yeah.
The hell gonna get it off?
Just take it off.
Is it gonna hurt? Better not.
I won't put on too much.
We're fighting.
Huh?
Better not or we're fighting.
Fighting about what?
Like fighting.
Can you hold the lash here, please, so they can dry? Don't touch the glue. Thank you.
That's enough glue, lady.
Sorry. Bad habit.
What is my favorite fast food chain?
McDonald's?
Nah.
Is it in America or here?
America. I told you.
Really?
Yeah.
Wendy's?
Yes. I feel like I can't overwise. It's
No,
stuck.
No, it's fine.
Ah, it's dropping. It's coming in my eyeball.
It's not.
Ah, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna go blind.
You're being dramatic.
Usually people with long lashes are dramatic.
Hey, look at me.
Oh.
Look at me.
Ah. I know why women like this. It hurts. It's falling.
No, it's not.
Ah.
Oh, your eyes are bigger than mine. Like, it's not long enough for you. Does it hurt?
A little bit. It's stuck. Do I drink tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Hurry up, get this over this, hurry up. I'll take this off. I'm really uncomfortable right now, take it off.
Okay, I'm sorry. You look good.
This is a one in a lifetime opportunity.
I know.
I feel like I'm gonna have to take another shower. I feel gross. I feel scat.
Oh my god.
What's it if you would sticking my eyes together? Alright, we're done, yeah?
No, my hands on your lips.
Oh, yuck.
Mate, should I do red lips?
Hurry up!
Don't rush me. Should I do red lips?
I can't swallow it because I feel like I've got lipstick in my mouth.
Look at me. Why are your eyes like that?
Because they're glued together. This is torture. This is torture. This is torture.
I'm so sorry. Is that better?
It's not better. Like, it's better would be all this stuff off.
Don't be bad. It's only been like 20 minutes.
Now I know why people at the club are grumpy.
Okay guys, so Kenny's getting impatient and I'm just gonna stop here. Time for the big reveal.
Oh, you can hold this.
Okay.
Alrighty. What the heck? Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Oh, that's not me. That's not me. That's a confused boy. That's a confused man. Oh, take it off. Take it off.